What's the meaning of controller? Controller. Controller.
Controller. Controller. A controller refers to an individual, group, or device that manages, directs, or regulates a system or process. It is responsible for ensuring that the desired outcome of the system is achieved by receiving inputs and producing outputs. Controllers can be found in various domains, such as finance, engineering, and technology. A financial controller oversees financial accounts and reports, while an engineering controller regulates the functioning of machines and systems. In the technology domain, a controller can refer to a device that manages the operation of other devices, such as a game controller that regulates the actions of a gaming system.